You guys loved the previous 2 episodes of Snapchat tricks, and this time you're gonna love it more. In this video, we are gonna talk about 10 secret Snapchat tricks which will change the way you use Snapchat. So with that being said, let's get started. So coming to the first trick, whenever we send snaps to everyone by selecting a shortcut, what we do is first we select shortcut and then we click on the select all button for selecting everyone. But instead you can just double tap on the shortcut emoji for selecting everyone of that list. Coming to the second trick, it's about sending a video from your gallery as a proper snap. For this you have to use the filter whose link is given below in the video's description. And by this you can record any video from your phone's gallery as a snap and can amaze your friends. The third trick is just for fun. So if you will take a screenshot of your own snap code and if you will scan it under add friend section, then it will show you a pop-up with an emoji saying lol. So there's an option in a Snapchat by which you can create your own profile card, which you can share on other social media platforms. So for this, go to your profile and then click on snap code and select share my profile link option. Click on download and you can share this as an Instagram story or WhatsApp status or anywhere else. A lot of people don't know about this feature that now you can send your live location to your friends on Snapchat. So for sending your live location, just go to the profile of the person whom you want to share your live location and then you will see an option for this. Just click on that, select duration of the live location and that's all. In the previous episodes of Snapchat tricks, I mentioned about the trick by which you can change your streaks emoji, but it's not really limited to that. For this, click on 3 dots in the upper right corner and then select customize best friends emoji option. And here you can change your BFFs emoji or even pinned chat emojis to any other emoji you want, and this really gives your Snapchat a fresh new look. By the way, pinning chat is only available on iOS right now. For compensation, Android users have got an interesting feature by which they can create a shortcut icon of their best friend or maybe the only person for whom they use Snapchat. So for this, just click and hold on the chat and under chat settings, select pin shortcut to home screen and create the shortcut. So you can find nearby places and snaps of that location on a Snapchat, and almost everyone is unaware of this Snapchat feature. For this, go to Snap Map section and click on places. After this, you will see a list of nearby places and you can see snap of those places too. Also, you can explore what's happening around the world by clicking on the globe icon, and it's pretty interesting. So if you want to check your own recently added friends or maybe your partner's recently added friends on Snapchat on their phone, then for this click on 3 dots and then select manage friendship option. Then again click on the 3 dots and select recently added friends option. After that you will see list of all the recently added friends. Now coming to the last trick, if you want your profile to have some pictures of yours, then go to your profile and create your public account. Under this option you can upload your pictures and this will make your Snapchat profile more professional. Now if you want to read more articles about Snapchat tricks, then click on the link which is given below in the video's description. So if you guys like the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'm Divyansh Sharan and I will catch you in the next one.